Madala ko si naghuhuti na lang kasi palagi kakalugi Pamabakita ng ating ako bang gustuhin Sa pagkagiting na tutunan Ikaw bumubuo ng araw Oh yes, baby Just you sense You're waiting to be mine on how it is Would you give it to me, baby? Let me know when you're ready Di na hanap ng iba Ikaw lang ang pinakamaganda Ikaw lang gusto makasama I see me and you on my bed in my room Holding hands while we move Cause I'm way too easy Cause baby I don't mind I can spend the time listening to my naked feel Cause I was turning on all my soul focus You and I'm falling those movies Well I can't closer with baby Tell me how things just in my life Oh, in the morning you know what's up Feeling so all night, alright Hey, alam niyo meron ako isang problema ngayong araw Kasi usually, itong second verse na to merong kasama kumanta dito So, by any chance sino ang kaya kumanta ng second verse? Can you raise your hand? Can you raise your hand? Sino pinaka-confident? Ikaw? Ikaw? Pero alam mo, marami ako nakikita eh. Ang dami nakataas. Ready sila eh, na mag-duet. Ikaw? Halika dito. Ikaw? Go black shirt. Halika. So, what's your name?
Karina.
Karina. Ang dami yung ano mo.
Yung ako sa inyo.
Saan? Oh, sa Acer. Hindi na tuloy. So ngayon ready ka ba? Ready ka na kumanda lang sa verse? Matagal mo na pinagandaan lang?
Yes.
Okay, hindi na ako ng tatlo. Okay mo? Magkasama ko rin. Kakantayin mo. Kabisado mo yung lyrics?
Yes.
Okay, tapos mabay kayo ha? Okay? Okay, ready?
I can't without your touch. Nothing more than I want so much, so much. If you come over here, we can talk about our feelings. Share all your tears with my baby. Yes, I see me and you on my phone. Cause I'm way too into you.
I can spend the time just to make May gusto ko ba sabihin bago ka bumaba? Baka meron kang mga friends dito may kakakilala dito?